Everyone who knows me knows I have a weakness for accessories, especially jewelry. I have tried almost every jewelry organizing solutions out there for my collection, but I couldn't find anything that I can keep all my collection sorted and organized in one place, damaged and tangled free. I wanted something that I can easily grab the item, use it, and then put it back in a neat order for my next use. I finally gave up on all the solutions provided in a store and online and decided to do it myself. Hi, my name is Bahar and I'm the co-founder of Mission to Organize. And this is my do-it-yourself jewelry organizer hack. I have to say, after creating these do-it-yourself jewelry organizers, my whole life has changed. Now I can have all of my collection organized in one spot. I can see everything, easily use them, and put them away in a neat manner without worrying about damaging or tangling them. It was also a great way to use all the vertical dead spaces in my bedroom to store my collection. Do you want more organizing solutions? Subscribe to MTO TV and come join us on our blog and social media. Do you have a unique do-it-yourself organizing solutions? Please leave it in the comment below. We love learning new ways from you too. Bye.